How to show or hide feeds on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, below of this you can see here the tab bar. Okay, you can tap this. In tab bar, you can see the customize the bar. You can choose what you like to see on the bar. Okay, you can customize this by tap this. And now here in tab bar, you can see here the available option or settings here. And you can see here the feeds. And the feeds is set into auto. To hide this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the button on the right side of this feed and the pop-up below are show. And now you can see the hide on this option. If you select hide, don't show in your navigation bar. Okay, tap the hide. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully hide the feeds on Facebook tab bar. And if you want to show again, okay, you'll have to do is go to hidden section and you can see here the feed and you can see the button and you'll have to do stop this. And now there are two options. You can set into pin or auto. So if you select the pin, keep in your navigation bar. If you select the auto, show or hide depending on your activity. And okay guys, I decide to set into pin and that's it. Okay, we have successfully show or hide feeds on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.